Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install free SSL certificate for lifetime on Cloudflare. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to install a free SSL certificate for lifetime on Cloudflare, you have to follow these steps. First, sign in to your Cloudflare account and click on add a domain. Enter the domain name that you want to protect and continue with the setup process. Cloudflare will then scan your existing DNS records automatically. Once the scan is complete, review the DNS records that Cloudflare found. Make sure your website's important records such as A records and C name records are correct. If any records are missing, you can add them manually before proceeding. Next, continue through the setup process and choose your preferred security options. If Cloudflare asks about AI crawlers or bot settings, select the option that best matches your needs and then click Continue. After that, choose the free plan. The free plan includes Cloudflare's universal SSL feature, which provides a free SSL certificate for your domain. Complete the domain onboarding process and update your domain's name servers to the ones provided by Cloudflare if required. Once your domain has been activated on Cloudflare, go to the SSL/TLS section from the left-hand menu and open the Overview tab. Here, set the SSL/TLS encryption mode to full. This allows Cloudflare to establish a secure HTTPS connection between visitors and your server. Now, Cloudflare will automatically issue a free universal SSL certificate for your domain. You do not need to manually install or renew the certificate, as Cloudflare handles the renewal process automatically. Activation may take a few minutes to several hours depending on DNS propagation. Finally, once the SSL certificate becomes active, visit your website using HTTPS and check that the padlock icon appears in the browser. This confirms that your website is secured with HTTPS and that the SSL certificate is working correctly, and that's it. This is how you can install free SSL certificate for lifetime on Cloudflare. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.